Hi friends, this video shows how to connect TV to Wi-Fi network using mobile phone. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Go down, set quick connect. It says scan QR code to join. Take mobile phone, then open the settings, tap on the settings up icon, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this scan icon on top right corner, tap on this device tab, then scan this QR code, tap on add device. It's connecting. Okay, connected. See, now I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network using mobile phone. Let me go to top. See, this TV is connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This mobile phone already connected to that same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This way we can connect both the TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.